This is mathheals.com, where you can find more links to math YouTube videos and computer science, if you wish. And let's take a look at hypothesis tests for a population mean. Now, in this particular book, they just have one particular type. Just hypothesis test for population mean, period. And other books have two different variations of it. One where sigma's known and one where sigma's not known. So keep that in mind if you're watching this and you're using a different book. I'll kind of tell the difference on the calculator, so that if you are using a different book, you'll see it. The requirements for this: the samples obtained using a simple random sampling or from a randomized experiment. Sample has no outliers, and the population from which a sample is drawn is normally disputed, or the sample size n is large. N is greater than or equal to 30. And the sample values are independent of each other. Now we're going to assume all these are true for the examples I made up. I'm not very good at making up examples, so we'll run with these assumptions, even if it doesn't say it. Now this is the classical approach using the T83, T84. We write down a shortened version of the claim, come up with a null and alternate hypothesis. H0 always has the equals part on it. Step 3, see if the claim matches H0 or H1. Step 4, draw the picture and split alpha into the tails. Step 5, find the critical values, t-distribution table. And then step 6 is find the test statistic, t-test. If test statistic falls in a tail, we'll reject H0. If test statistic falls in the main body, we'll accept H0. And determine a claim based on step 3. Now, I like to use the word accept and reject, but most books will use